BG Series high-efficiency intelligent coating machine is used in the fields of pharmacy, food, biological products, etc. It can coating various tablets, pills, candy with organic film, water-soluble film and sugar coating. The machine has the advantages of beautiful appearance, high efficiency, low energy consumption and small floor space etc. During the film coating process in the major machine, it shows such features as blockage of floating dust and syrup splash, operation condition improvement, little cross-contamination to tablets, simple coating process, coating time shortening as well as high production efficiency etc. It adopted a new mini-type computer and a touch screen on which temperature and negative pressure control system are displayed with such programmable functions. Automatic adjusting a majority of process parameters as flow, negative pressure, intake, exhaust, temperature, rotational velocity. The compile of SOP digitizing, produce different batches of materials with the same technical parameters to ensure the coating quality of each batch of materials. It adds data storage and printing functions with more than 14 program of film coating, which are modified at any time in the run. The printing device can be equipped the customer's requirement so that the process parameters and process flow of each batch of production can be accurately recorded.